Mathematical problem of standard 4. A cut lemon has dash flat surfaces. Two flat surfaces. If the quantity of mangoes increases, the price will dash decrease. A cuboid has dash faces. 6 faces. The top surface of a table is dash flat. A triangle with all three sides of equal length is called an equilateral triangle. 5 into 2 divided by 5 is 10 divided by 5 is 2. The perimeter of the given triangle is 2 plus 4 plus 3 centimeter, 9 centimeter. Write the next two numbers in the following series: 8, 21, 16, 29, 24, dash dash, 37 and 32. Simplify. Second bracket 48 divided by 4 minus first bracket 24 minus 19 into 2 second bracket into 5. Second bracket 48 divided by 4 minus 5 into 2 second bracket into 5 is equal to second bracket 12 minus 5 into 2 second bracket into 5 is equal to second bracket 12 minus 10 second bracket into 5. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Answer. Sania, Shukti and Devesh are three close friends. Sania is older than Shukti by 8 months. Again, Devesh is younger than Shukti by 6 months. Shukti's age is 10 years 5 months. Calculate the age of Sania and Devesh. Shukti 10 years 5 months plus 8 months, 13 months 10 years, 12 plus 1 month 10 years, 11 years 1 month. Sania's age. Again, Shukti's age 10 years 5 months minus 6 months plus 12, 17 minus 6, 11 months, 10 minus 1, 9 years. Devesh's age is 9 years 11 months. There are 28 pens in a packet. 3 by 4 of them are usable. If we have rupees 420, how many such packets of pens can we buy? If each pen costs rupees 5, how much money will be left? Usable pens 28 into 3 by 4, 7 into 3 is 21. Cost of each pen rupees 5. Price of a packet of pens rupees 5 into 28, rupees 140. Number of packets of pens we can buy, rupees 420 divided by rupees 140 is equal to 3. Cost of 3 packets of pens, rupees 140 into 3, rupees 420. Money will be left rupees 420 minus 420 is equal to rupees 0. Thank you.